A promising young man suddenly reported himself for cheating on the international bar exam. His goal was to get himself sent to prison. The proctor rushed over to check the situation, and found an actual cheat sheet in the man's hand. He immediately declared the man's test results void in anger. The other students thought the man had gone mad, because he was the top law student at the school. But then another proctor noticed something odd. The cheat sheet was full of civil law answers, while this was an administrative law exam. He suspected the man had simply brought the wrong notes. Just then the exam supervision team arrived. They warned that cheating could result in being locked in isolation, but the man didn't care at all, so they escorted him away, and locked him in an empty classroom. There they questioned him, reminding him he was a top law student and rare legal talent, and asked why he brought answers for the next exam. The man calmly said, if he didn't do this, he would die. They were confused, but still scolded him for cheating. Even his professor couldn't understand his actions, saying his parents were both famous lawyers, who had raised him for 18 years, hoping he'd achieve great things in the legal field, but now he had thrown it all away. However, the man knew this was the only way he could truly get into a top law firm and become an outstanding lawyer. Just then a partner from a top firm arrived. Everyone thought she came to save him, but instead, she brought shocking news. The man was already a lawyer at their firm. Everyone was stunned. Then she showed detailed documents, proving he was a star attorney, who had helped them win every case in recent years, and possessed top-level legal talent. The exam supervisors reviewed the materials, and were shocked to find he had been granted the world's only special bar license. This meant he was officially the top lawyer in the world. Even more confused, the supervisors began to suspect he had been threatened. The team leader offered him a chance, saying if he just admitted he hadn't cheated, they would investigate the truth. But the man insisted he had cheated. Everyone felt disappointed and heartbroken. Just then his family arrived. His mother held his hand in tears, unable to believe the son she raised would do such a thing. She questioned him in disbelief, but he stayed silent. His father then spoke up in disappointment, saying he couldn't believe the cheating news, but now seeing it with his own eyes, he slapped the man across the face. At that moment, a group of reporters burst in, bombarding him with questions. His grandmother painfully insisted. She believed he would never do something like this. His mother even dropped to her knees, begging him to tell the truth. Facing his family, the man was filled with pain. His girlfriend also asked for the truth, but before he could respond, his father fainted from the shock. Everyone rushed to help him. Then the law firm partner gave the man one last chance to explain, but under everyone's hopeful gaze, he firmly repeated, he cheated. Hearing this, the partner tearfully announced they would officially terminate their partnership. His teacher cursed him, calling him nothing but a cheating criminal now. The man bowed and apologized, saying he had let them all down. As the supervision team prepared to take him away, a teacher suddenly received a call, and immediately stopped the man from leaving. Everyone grew anxious, asking if the truth had been uncovered, but the teacher solemnly announced the man was suspected of stealing national secrets, and could face over 10 years in prison. His girlfriend